Hello friends, welcome to my channel DIYs here. It is a channel that specializes in different types of throw pillows. So if you are in this niche, you can start by subscribing to my channel and click on the notification button so that you can get update anytime we upload a new video. So in today's video, I will be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to make this beautiful Canadian smoking round-shaped throw pillow. It is a kind of fabric manipulation whereby some patterns are drawn on a fabric and stitched, and a beautiful design comes out of it. Okay, let's get started. This is the pattern we will be using for this project. It has a length of 60 inches and width of 25 inches. So we will cut exactly these sizes on our fabric, the same length of 60 inches and width of 25 inches. For the sides, we can leave 7 inches on both sides. I said at least because we can leave more than 7 inches, 8, 9, depending on how we want it. The larger the number, the bigger the pillow. So for the pattern in the middle, we are going to draw lines of 1 inch by 1 inch, vertical and horizontal lines. So at the end of the day, we are going to have squares of 1 inch by 1 inch. The next is to draw the grids or diagonal lines as shown on the template too. While copying the pattern on our fabric, we should ensure that the fabric is carefully tapped on the table so that it will not shift as we are drawing our grids. And I also advise that a long ruler should be used for this drawing. We have finished copying our pattern on the fabric, and the next thing we'll be going into is the stitching. We'll stitch the two ends of the diagonal line, making sure that the knot is tied very well. We will just keep repeating the same process throughout the fabric. It's basically the same thing all through. As you can see, we have finished stitching the whole fabric and our beautiful design is finally done. Next is to sew the two ends together, making sure that the patterns are aligned on a straight line. So after sewing, the next thing is to make those folds at the two openings of the pillow. So which color are we choosing? Red or green? I prefer the red. Red is one of my best colors anyway. Just look at the beautiful transformation. It's looking so fancy and so simple. And this is our final product. I hope you guys enjoyed making this beautiful throw pillow with me. But if you have any question, please don't forget to drop your question on the comment box and share this video with your friends. Click on the bell for notification and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.